It's 9 a.m. We're in Sundance Park, Peoria, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. It rained a little bit earlier this morning, but it's drying up now. There are a few puddles around, but it dries very quickly. It's time for a ride. Let's go. The sky looks a little bit threatening, but I'm going to forge ahead. It's only about 15, maybe 20 minutes to Jack in the Box. And if it starts raining on me, there are places, friends of mine, who will let me sit on their patio while it passes. Usually doesn't rain for a very long time here. It's hard and fast, then it stops. This is Desert Cove. I just love the name of this little road. And we're looking, let's see, which way are we looking? Due west, towards California. The weather usually comes either from California or Mexico. As you can see, there are some puddles, but nothing serious. These streets drain well, and there's no traffic really around me to splash on me. That's the only thing I worry about. Going through puddles with the trike splashes up a little bit of mud and sand on me, but that's okay. I'm wearing clothes that are easily cleaned. It was raining fairly hard this morning when I woke up, and while I was feeding the dogs, and I kept thinking, well, maybe I won't be able to ride this morning, but here we are. And as you can see, I'm wearing my orange shoes, which kind of flash, and as I pedal around, it's the best place in the world to put some color on you so you can be seen. Wear some bright shoes. It took me about a year, at least, to figure out that wearing dark grayish fade into the background colors is not the way to go if you're sharing the road with cars. Be seen. Be safe. It also took me a couple years to kind of figure out where the quietest, safest routes to take were, and I pretty much stay with that. I like being out here. I like smelling the air, especially after a rain. This is wonderful. Well, I'm going to say it looks like I'm going to have clear sailing today. Skies seem to be clearing up. Nice. Okay, we should be coming up on Cactus Road in a few minutes, and that'll take me right around to Jack in the Box, where I can get some coffee. Do a pit stop, too. I wish I could share with you just how good this feels, and how wonderful it smells. It's the desert after a rain. Okay, it's time for me to very carefully switch to the other side of the road, check my mirrors, look around, listen, and there I go. I've seen people just sort of like turn their bike hoping that nobody's going to be running into them, and that's kind of scary. I wouldn't do that. I can't recommend that you do that either. Okay, going up on the sidewalk here, and I'll be running parallel to a major street. Cactus Road. Stay with me. Of course, I can't speak for where you are, because local laws are different about this, but it is perfectly legal for me to ride on the sidewalk here. But it is a shared space, and there might be someone walking, or someone in a wheelchair, or a kid on a bicycle, so I go low and slow. There it is, there's Jack in the Box. I'll be stopping there. It's a little chilly this morning. It'll feel good to go inside, get some coffee. Good morning. I just love it here. Thanks for riding along with me this morning, and I'll see you next time.